Let me show you how to change the starting number of bullet points in the Divi theme or any other WordPress theme. I have an article here with text and images. I want to break one long bullet list into smaller sections and place images in between so the content flows better. First, I will enable the Visual Builder at the top. Then I will duplicate the text section that contains the bullet list. In the first section, I remove the bottom part of the list. In the duplicated sections, I will remove the top part of the list. After that, I will move my images in between the text sections. Now the bullet points are no longer correct. Each section starts at number 1 instead of continuing the list. To fix this, I will go to the second text section and switch to the Text HTML view. Inside the Ordered List tag, I will add a start value. For this section, I will start the bullet at 2. For the next bullet section, I will do the same thing, but this time I will set the start value to 4. Here I have another list with 9 bullet points. I will duplicate it, split it into smaller sections, move images in between, and update the starting number for each list so the numbering continues correctly, just like we did before. Now when I exit the Visual Builder and preview the page, the bullet numbers flow correctly across all sections and images, and it looks so much more interesting. Thanks so much for watching.